you what Cardano is all about, what Project Catalyst is all about, so that at the end of the day, you identify the role you can play or the activity you can play on the Cardano project. At the end of the day, you also be happy for actively engaging in these activities. So each funding round has a set amount of data from the Cardano treasury ready to allocate for successful ideas like So the first stage is what we call the proposal submission, and that is to people who have ideas, brilliant ideas, and they want to submit the proposals to the Catalyst for what? Funding. So usually Catalyst starts with what? Proposal submission, where committee members submit proposals to what? Various challenges. So from the proposal submission, we now have what we call the community reviews. The community reviews, the reviews are into what? Categories. So we have the first stage reviews and what? The second stage reviews. And for the first stage, we have level 0 and level 1 reviewers. And the work of the reviewers is that they review the proposals that have been submitted by the committee members. And anybody at all proposal submissions are open for 2 weeks, during which proposals can submit what? Draft ideas. There's the start of the community review registration, so it will start on the 23rd. So community review registration, that's next week. So I think I'll have to guide you people on how to do it. And so it will start on the 23rd and end on the 10th of December. So roughly like 2-3 weeks to register to take part. And the deadline for proposal submission is what? 30th November. Then December 14th starts what? The community review. And then January 22nd. For the community review, I think the level 0 and level 1 will take 2 weeks. And level 2 will also take the other parts.